Welcome back to Railfanning on location, where we take you wherever we happen to be filming trains today. And today we have a train imminently inbound any second, coming right past the Eagleville Dam here. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the train. Alright guys, I'll tell you a little bit more about this train at our next stop once we have some breathing space, but for right now, we gotta get moving if we want to beat that train in the next crossing, so we'll catch you up there. Alright, we're now a little further north, not quite at Wellington. We are now at Merrow Road in Merrow, Connecticut. And we've stopped here instead of South Wellington because I think we're already ahead of the train. Because I believe we were stopped at a red and I heard the whistle, and that whistle was for a grade crossing behind us, and I believe I haven't heard the set of 3 whistles that it's going to sound down there for 3 grade crossings back to back to back, which means in theory we've beat the train here. Alright, so while we wait to see if we've beat the train, I'll just tell you a little bit about it since I didn't get a chance to do that earlier. So, today, the train was hauled by a bit of a special engine in the rear. I don't know if you saw it. It was a Providence and Worcester engine. I believe it was a C40-8, which is unusual, A, because these are New England Central rails, not Providence and Worcester rails. So that in itself is interesting. But it's also interesting because we normally get just basic EMDs on this line. C40-8 is not a basic EMD. It's, I believe, a GE engine, although correct me if I'm wrong. So that's cool. That's actually why I wanted to go out and see this one, even though the weather is frightfully cold. Bad news, everyone. We did not beat the train. That is the train just a little ways ahead of us. Whistling for South Wellington Road, which is where we'd be right now if I hadn't turned around. Oh well. You win some and you lose some, I guess, although we've now twice going so slow and stopped too early and missed it. You can check out the last video if you want to see the last time that happened. But still pretty good chase and some glorious sunset weather. Well, even though we missed the train, I think it's still a pretty successful day. And I know they've gone up to Palmer up that way, but they're going to come back tonight because they have to bring more cars back down to Willimantic. So hopefully we'll get to see them doing that. If so, there'll be another video going out about that later on. If you think I earned it, please be sure to give this video a like so I know you enjoyed it, and also consider subscribing maybe even. As always, thanks for watching everyone, and have a great day.